Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, n8n is an incredibly powerful workflow automation tool that lets you connect virtually any app or API without writing code, and we add Gemini's AI capabilities to your workflows. You unlock a whole new world of automation, from content generation to data analysis to intelligent decision making. So there are two main ways to integrate Gemini with n8n: using a custom community node or building your own HTTP request node. The community node approach is easier but may require installation. The HTTP request approach gives you more control and works with any n8n setup. So in this guide, I will show you both methods so you can start automating with Gemini today. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, before you can connect anything to Gemini, you need an API key. So right now we have to go to aistudio.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and click Get API Key. Select Create or basically create API key in your project, copy your new and save it somewhere secure. So as I told you, the point is I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, let me go check this one here, and I'm gonna go all the way .com, delete this part here, and here you go. I am now with a developer building with Google AI Studio and Gemini API 4 whatsoever. So here you go. As for the method number one, you can use a community node. It's the easiest. In your n8n instance, go to settings, community nodes, search for n8n nodes, Gemini, then click install. Once installed, you will find a new node called Scar's Google Gemini node in your node panel. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.